This is part 2 working with Agentforce agent, and we are doing hands-on where we're going through the trailhead for building your first agent with Agentforce. Follow the part 1 if we have missed the steps. Now let's go to the next steps. In this one, we are going to do the publish the experience cloud site. Let's search the digital experience in the setup and select all site. Okay, let's go to the setup, search the digital experience, select all sites, and then it was saying click builder next to the coral cloud button. Okay, there is a builder. Okay, so now we are going to the builder. That's basically our experience cloud, or we can call it a website for that coral cloud resort. We are getting it ready for the deployment of a Agentforce. If the pop-up appears, click OK, click publish, got it, experience builder menu is done, click Salesforce setup. Okay, so let's go here, click on publish is a button on the top right. I have clicked on that. Once it is published, it's asking me a pop-up, click on publish. So we are just publishing the changes. That's basically, it was a raw experience builder site, publishing, got it. And we click on the top left side icon. I just forgot what you have to do. Click on Salesforce setup. Okay, click on top left icon and click on Salesforce setup. So basically it's taking me back to the setup again. So this means we just follow the digital experience and deployed that builder website which was there. Now what is next? Configure the agent. This is the important part where we are telling the agent what we have to do with you. For that we have agent builder that we need to use. In the setup, go to agents, open and builder. Let's go to the so many setups actually being opened up. Maybe we don't need the experience builder. We just reopen it up. Let's go to the agents. Go to the Coral Cloud Experience Agent, one which we have. What is next? We have to go as open and builder, down arrow and select new topic. Okay, let's open and builder. So it's a button on the top right. So this is basically what I was talking about. I'm just opening it the first time. It's just giving me a walkthrough. It is called Agent Builder, where we'll tell what agent need to do, its roles. If I remind you back, so we'll talk everything about agent here. Roles, what data I need to work on, what actions it need to do, and what are the security guardrails, and where it need to be deployed. So we'll spend most of our time in the agent builder itself. Now let's try to figure it out. We have to give it a new topic. Remember, this is what we were talked about. These are the components of a Agentforce builder. Topics, basically what it need to do, what the instructions, actions, we do it live right now. I like that actually. The Trailhead is giving us an hands-on experience, so that's very handy. Let's go to the new topic. In the new topic we have to give the topic label. This is just for our understanding. The label main is the description, which is the description. It's like the whole purpose of Agentforce is zero code or no code, and use natural language, English like language that we need to use. So that's why we are giving the description, because when anyone will be talking or chatting to this Agentforce, the AI bot need to understand that. So let's go and click the new topic, go to new, create a new topic, label. We are just copy paste all the items here, description of this, what is this basically for, and what is the scope, basically the guardrail. This is important. We are telling what it need to do. The agent job is to assist user in navigating and managing bookings, so it knows what are the rules it need to follow and what it need to do, basically the actions, instructions. And we can do multiple instructions also, but this is only one instruction. Click next and click finish. Okay, click next, and see these are the default actions which are available pre-built in case we need to do that. For this one, this action basically, which the new topic that we created, we are not setting any action as of now. we'll do in the future part of the video. Let's click on finish. So now we can see our first topic, which is ready. We are telling the agents in the agent builder what it need to do. So we can test that out, add agent experience detail actions to the agent, right? So now we have to tell this what it need to do. Click on experience management topic. So let's go to the experiments. Where is that experience actually? We haven't activated yet. Let me figure it out. That's what I told you I'm doing for the first time with you. Add the get experience detailed action to the agent. Okay. Create and attach the get experience detail action to the experience management topic so the agent can produce details. Okay. Click the experience management topic. Okay, so where the topic details are, topic label, let's try that. No, it's not here. Let's explore what the other options we have. This is the library, knowledge base, this is the theming. Let's go to the topic itself. So yeah, so we search here actually in the topics and click on experience management topic. So, and then click the experience management topic. Okay, this topic action sub tab, we have to go to this action. Okay, on the top left we have click on this one, and now we have to connect this. Basically it's just linking behind the scene what this action means. Click new, add action and select flow. So now this we are just setting the action. Okay, new and add action. It's asking basically the instructions that we have given in the topics, what is the action for that. So we are doing our custom action. Remember we saw that the pre-built actions. Now we are doing the custom action for that. Select the flow type is the action type, right? And then we have pre-built already available actions, get experience detail. Okay, let's do that. Select the preference of the action is flow. So basically this is what the flow will run behind the scene, and see which is the flow name is get experience detail. Okay, leave the other option next, require. Now for experience name, check require input. So this means this action need an input from a user to work. So that's why we have a require input that need to be checked. Okay, let's click next. And then if I scroll down, so this is what it says, data type, this is the text type, and all the settings, instructions are pre-configured. The name of the experience custom field that the user would like more information on. So this is the input that goes into this action, and this is how the output will throw out. So now we are mapping the topic with the action, but we need this input as a mandatory field here. What next? Show in conversation. So it will show as conversation. Where is that? Show in conversation. Basically the this information will be shown to the client when they press in the chat. Click finish, and now test this out whether it's working or not. Okay, let's do that. Click finish. So it's being finished. Let's do and test it out. How to do that? Click finish. Now got it in the sidebar. Test out the agent. For that, before that you need to refresh it. Let's try to refresh the agent builder. So we can see the topic experience management, and there on the right side we have conversation preview. Let's try that out whether this the topic that we have created is working with the action that we have configured. So enter the prompt to the describe your task to ask the question. Click the conversation preview. You can refresh it if you want. Now can you let me know more about the full moon party experience? Let's try to test that builder out. Let's refresh that. Okay, I just missed that, but that's okay. Can see that's not a mandatory thing, but let's see. Now you can see our Agentforce is working behind the scene and try to do the analysis based on the topic that we have created and the action we have linked this with. So we give this as an input. So someone going to the website, they type this question. This is the response that our bot or the Agentforce will give. It's an exciting experience where you'll enjoy a night of music and all those things. Information, how that is done, if you see in the middle part, you have their instructions. That was if a customer would like more information on activity experience, what you need to do, map this to the action, That was action that we created, get experience detail. So the input was experience underscore value, C was full moon, and this was the output that's being sent. And the description is being shown as an output, and the reasoning, what is the value that's being thrown out, is this one. Agent response as a message that came from that flow that we linked to. So this means, congratulations, our first agent force is working. So this AI have started working. We're asking it some questions and it's replying back with the output. So what we have covered so far is our topics and our actions, and also we set up some instructions on that. We haven't deployed yet, but let's see how many parts we have. We have to add more actions. Let's do that in our next video. We just need one thing from you. If you get any value, single value out of this, just for our motivation, just like and subscribe to our channel. This will help us to create more valuable content. Thank you.